Why are your software architecture diagrams failing your team? Let's dive into this explainer and map out the solution.
Quick question. Ask any software team how many UML diagrams they actually use today. The answer might totally surprise you.
14. Yeah, UML has 14 different types. Yet most modern Agile teams, they only really use 2 or 3.
The rest is just academic overhead. They literally take weeks to learn and rot instantly after the first sprint.
So, enter the C4 model. Simon Brown created this lightweight method to fix this exact documentation headache.
Instead of 14 complex UML types, C4 gives you exactly 4 super pragmatic levels of abstraction.
Forget messy webs. C4 uses a spatial hierarchy. It's literally just like zooming into Google Maps.
Okay, start wide. Level 1 is the context diagram. This gives you the absolute highest level view.
It maps external connections and shows how your system fits into the world. Perfect for execs and devs alike.
Double-click to Level 2, the container diagram. Now this means architectural boundaries, not just Docker containers, okay? Right here, you'll see your major technical building blocks. Things like web apps, databases, APIs, and message queues.
Let's zoom in further to Level 3, the component. This breaks down the internal structure of one single container.
You're mapping microservices and specific interfaces here. It's honestly incredibly useful for the core engineering team.
Finally, we hit the microscopic view. Yep, you guessed it. Level 4 is the code itself.
This maps actual implementation details like classes. But actually, scratch that. It's optional. Your IDE usually handles this perfectly.
The contrast here is wild. UML takes literal weeks to master, while C4's learning curve is just a few hours.
So here's the deal. UML trades simplicity for comprehensiveness, but C4 trades comprehensiveness for actually getting used.
Now, UML isn't useless. It's definitely still required in regulated industries like finance, academia, and for code generation workflows. But for most modern software teams, startups, and agile microservices architectures, C4 is hands down the clear, pragmatic choice.
The secret weapon here? Model-based tools sync directly with your code, keeping these diagrams constantly updated and fresh.
Which leaves us with one critical question to wrap up. Is your architecture documentation actually alive or rotting away?